Hey, quick one here for you. If you are using AutoGPT, this video is for you. If you are not using AutoGPT, you're probably familiar with ChatGPT. If you're not familiar with ChatGPT, then you should probably climb out of the rock that you've been living under and do some research, because it's pretty crazy. Essentially, AutoGPT lets you run ChatGPT in a continuous manner based on a preset rule structure. This is how it's structured. You're able to give it, this is kind of how it's structured. You give it a name, you give it a purpose, you can give it 5 goals. That's all you're allowed to give it. If you want to mess with the code, you can kind of change the prompting, and I'll be doing more videos on this. I'll be doing more videos on how to get started with it, how to use it easily, especially for people who feel like it's hard to access. But anyway, for this video, it's for AutoGPT users. It's kind of hard to prompt this thing the way you want it to. It's kind of hard to get valuable output. Something I've been trying to do with it a lot is do research and organize that research into something valuable. And this takes some very specific prompting. So I have generated some AIPRM templates that will allow you to very easily, very quickly get valuable output from your AutoGPT instance. If you are not familiar with AIPRM, it is a Chrome extension that beefs up your landing page in ChatGPT. So rather than just being able to type something here, I can select from templates. What these templates do is it inserts your prompt into a preset prompt. So I created an example here to demonstrate that. This says, give me 10 words that rhyme with the following word, and then it inserts the user's prompt here. We can test this out by selecting it. We'll type a single word. How about nice? We'll get spice, ice, slice, price, twice, mice, device, vice, paradise, and advice. Very cool. What I have been working on with AIPRM is something that will generate AutoGPT prompts based on minimal input. So what this looks like is I have a super long prompt in here that makes it so that when I type in, I want to conduct automated research on tardigrades because they're invincible and really cool. It's going to spit me out a name, it's going to spit me out a purpose, and it's going to spit me out 5 goals. I can now put these directly into AutoGPT and it's going to do its thing. All right, so what does this actually look like in practice? Well, we just need to copy this into AutoGPT. And I have this set up so that it always spits it out as this GPT is an AI designed to, because that's what it wants. So we'll go Python scripts main py. I'm going to assume for the purposes of this video that you know how to use AutoGPT. If not, stay tuned for my next videos where I'll describe how to use it. We're going to say no, we want to create a new GPT. It's going to be Tardigrade GPT. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Christ. First thing to do is conduct some research on tardigrades in order to gather the information on their physical characteristics. We're going to Google. We're going to do some things. Yeah, let's do a Google search. While it's doing a Google search, look at my puppy. Tardigrades will often lay their eggs inside their old moat to Tardigrades are crazy, man. While in a ton, their metabolisms can lower to less than 0.01% of normal. Here we go, right to file. We got some tardigrade info in our AutoGPT workspace. Tardigrades are tiny creatures that are also called water bears. They're famous for their unique features, including their ability to survive extreme temperatures, radiation, and pressure. Got biology, implications in medicine, implications in space exploration, and a conclusion. Additionally, I have at least a dozen, maybe even 24 other generators or templates that will generate input for AutoGPT. I'll be sharing those over time as I refine them. I haven't seen other people talking about this, so let me know in the comments what you think. Follow me. I will be sharing more information on making this stuff more accessible, making it more exciting, trying to show my results. Happy researching.